Afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the market is doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers and trade, what stocks are actually buzzing in trade this afternoon. So let's start with overall the domestic markets. Yes, they started moving between gains and losses this morning, but what we saw coming in is during the day now the Sensex is trading in the red. It slipped and it's trading below the 16,600 mark, and it's down almost 0.2% in trade. Nifty trading just slightly above the 18,000 mark as well, trading in the red as well. Now, what is doing well in the markets is the broader markets. That's the mid-cap and the small-cap space are managing to trade in the green today. Small-cap space is surely doing quite well. It's up almost 1% in trade, while the mid-cap space is also up 0.2% in trade. So mid-cap broader markets doing quite well and trading in the green. While overall among the top drags in the stock wise, you look at it, Reliance, HDFC banks are among the top drags, and that is why that is surely pulling the Sensex as well as the Nifty also a bit in the red and pulling that down. Now, what is doing well today? Let's look at the individual stocks. We have the auto space also. When you look at it, the overall Nifty Auto index is also up. It's trading in the green. Realty and IT are the other ones which are doing quite well. So Nifty Auto buzzing in trade today, mainly after when you're seeing stocks like individual stocks like Tata Motors, Sumi, Hero Motocorp, Maruti, all these stocks today are buzzing in trade. And now we did have a note coming in from Morgan Stanley, which is saying that the Malaysian foundries are now back to 100% of manpower, and the auto chip shortage is now in the rear view mirror, and the chip shortage should be over pretty soon, is what the note is indicating. So surely on this positive sentiment, we are seeing all these auto stocks surely buzzing in trade, and the Nifty Auto sector index too up in trade this afternoon. Other than that, we do have Coforge, which is which is in focus. The stock has jumped as much as 3% in trade today after the company has proposed to offer ADR shares on and file the registration statement with the US Securities Exchange Commission as well. So keeping the stock in focus today on the back of this news, the stock is up 3% in trade. We have Tin Plate Company of India, which is in focus as well. Its stock is up as much as 1.5 to 2% in trade today after we're seeing a robust set of numbers which reported by the company in Q2, where the profits have surged by 4 times. Also, the revenues have seen an 84% jump as well. It's a strong set of numbers coming in from Tin Plate. Lastly, we do have Infrared, which is in focus as well. The stock has gained as much as 3% in trade today. We have the brokerage firm Bob Capital also, which is reiterating a buy rating. And overall, when you look at, they've also upped their target for the stock. So they're at 7,700. Previously, it was 6,530. And now they believe that, obviously, when you look at the revenues of the company, also they have also seen a growth. They are outperforming the consensus. Plus, overall, the broad-based uptick that they're seeing coming in Naukri's 99 acres as well as other verticals as well. So keeping the stock on the positive side, and these are the stocks that are buzzing in trade this afternoon. But let's see how they end in trade and how the market actually ends in trade as well today.